how to set back tap or double tap to lock or unlock rotation on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, scroll down and then tap on Touch. In here, we scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Back Tap. And then we go to the top here and tap on Double Tap or Triple Tap. So I'm going to select Double Tap. Then we scroll down and select Lock Rotation. And here you can see if I pull down the control center, if I double tap, then my rotation will be lock or unlock. So here I have unlock rotation, and then I can double tap on it again to lock the rotation. And that's it. That is how you can assign back tap or double tap or triple tap to lock or unlock rotation. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.